Hey everyone, this is Kincade, and I just want to make this quick video asking for your votes in the 2022 Broke to Built contest. Contest submissions ended April 30th, and my bike has been submitted. I was selected as one of the top 32 bikes to move on to the next round. In order to make it to the final 16, where a bracket will then commence, I need your votes. The 16 most voted bikes make it to the bracket where the judges then make decisions. The bracket will use a traditional seeding method where first goes up against 16th, second against 15th, and so on. So the more votes I have, the better odds I have as well. There are a ton of amazing builds in this year's contest, so it is some stiff competition. Every vote can go a really long way. So links to go vote in the contest are on screen and in the description, and your votes would mean the world to me. The final ride video for this bike premieres tomorrow morning at 8 a.m., so be on the lookout for that. You will not want to miss it. I promise this thing absolutely rips. So I just wanted to make this quick video to make sure you guys all knew about the contest and the voting. Go cast your vote. It'll only take you 30 seconds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow with the first ride on this girl.
Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be liked by everybody in sight. But trust me, being free